So in this video, we're going to take you through the aspects of the SK1300 rule and show how our system, resource disclosure, supports the key principles of competence, transparency, and materiality. So these principles collectively lay the foundation for sustainable and ethical practices in public mineral reporting. So let's have a look at how our solution integrates these. We'll start with competence. So looking at the My Details page, resource disclosure acts as a repository of information about your QPs, so your qualified persons and managers that are assigned to the mineral reporting process. So they've got the ability to track and manage general information, professional affiliations, qualifications, contact and work history, and all of that in a single view, as you can see here. So if I click here, we can see that as an administrator, I can add new users to the system and also define the number of features that are available for any of those users. So we can assign a system role there. Then we just look through the list. I'll just show you to see the users we've created so far, the different roles they've got. So we can also navigate through those same tabs where users enter the information and review them as required. So this is where we can see if someone's suitable, qualified, and experienced to be a part of the workflow. Another important feature here is that we can configure letters of appointment and consent as part of the workflows. So these workflows will be used for review and approval of the QP's information to be in accordance with the company's policy for mineral reporting. So this information can be viewed directly in the system, or it can be downloaded in a PDF, or it can be printed as well if required. By using these workflows, our QPs must confirm that they understand and acknowledge the requirements and responsibilities. So they also consent that the information will be used to confirm their ability to act as the QP. So just by ticking these checkboxes. So now if we go to transparency, so if we click into the org chart, so we can see a snapshot of the whole organization here from operation level to corporate level. So all the details associated with ownerships, material types, commodities, locations, operation type, and all data capture areas. So it's very transparent in the system, which creates an environment where all parties, all stakeholders, are well informed and confident in the reporting process that the company has in place. So in resource disclosure, the administrator can configure the responsibility assignments in a clear structure, so they can set reviews and approvals at operation, country, region, and even corporate levels, with QPs and managers always capturing data and signing off the process at the appropriate level in this org chart. So by clicking here now, we can see the tasks that are assigned to this user. So there is an option to complete the pages. You can either do that by importing the data directly or capturing the data in the system. So we can see a welcome page with general information that is required to complete this workflow. And the system allows users to set page dependencies and cross-page validations to assure consistency and correctness all the way through these data capture steps. So as the user completes the pages, a checklist must be verified as part of the governance process. And if the data capture is rejected, the task is pushed back to the data capturer, and they have to make the required corrections here. So finally, if we go to materiality, so once this data is entered and reviewed, we can check the output results. So we just do that by clicking here, and we can access the dashboard configuration area where we have the option to select branches of the organization and also data capture events. So next I can select what pages in the data capture event I want to load, along with options to apply filters to material types. Just doing that here. So if users had configured dashboard templates previously, they could apply them directly to this form and quickly display the results as either tables or charts in a user-friendly interface. So I'll just show you that now. As you can see, here. So we can use dashboards to configure a series of tables and charts of tons, metal content, average grades, and other information according to their classification categories, even regions or business units. As demonstrated here, dashboards are a great tool for displaying the data capture pages, and they behave very similar to Excel. So users can remove, add, and even move columns until reports and charts look as desired. Okay. So users can easily drill down the tables or even roll up the data at a country, region, or corporate level. The charts are automatically updated as well with material information and consistent calculations, as you can see here. So the tables and charts are very useful when presenting other types of data captured in the workflow. So we can look at waterfall data for reconciliation. We can do sensitivity analysis and other relevant information as well. So dashboards are linked to the org chart, and users can configure the tables and charts to compile and visualize data capture pages at any level of the organization as well, so region, operation, and deposit areas. Resource disclosure not only allows companies to plot open and closing balances of tons and metal content for reconciliation purposes, but also make comparisons between these different reporting periods, allowing analysis to identify trends across several years. Thank you for watching. So that's how our system complies with the SK 1300 code.